Hello, my name is Jeff Martin. I do a lot of training for Bentley and developing of training for Bentley, in particular inroads, OpenRoads, and SUDA, the Subsurface Utilities Design and Analysis package. I am here to tell you about the upcoming Bentley Learn Conference classes for subsurface utility drainage and analysis. I will be debuting them in Indianapolis, but I've got two new classes. One is a QuickStart. Basically, you don't have to know anything about drainage. You don't have to know anything about hydraulics. I don't even think you need to know much about OpenRoads. You should know a little microstation. But basically, it's open to anybody. I guarantee it won't be over your head. Even if you're a manager, you'll be able to handle this. Basically, you start out with a typical project file. It'll have some drainage, have a drainage network in it, and referencing the rest of the project. But essentially, we'll be able to go into it, take a look, analyze the individual structures. We'll be able to do tabular reports, queries. You'll be able to figure out what's going on with the data, with the drainage, and get reports, outputs, that sort of thing. The other thing we'll be able to do is we'll be able to do a clash analysis. So we'll be able to test these utilities against other utilities. So we'll have like a drainage network and sewer, communication lines. Is there a conflict? So you'll be able to run clash detection jobs. And finally, at the end, we'll show you how easy it is to lay out inlets and pipes. Now, granted, you are not going to have any idea if your stuff is right at that point. We'll be out of time. You'll need a whole different class to understand what the hundreds of attributes in an inlet. And it just so happens that second class is placing inlets with precision and speed. So we're taking something that's very complex. It's intrinsically complex. There is no way you can get around having over 100 attributes in order to have something that's physically, geospatially, and hydraulically, accurate. There's no way you can get around the complexity of that. In order to be accurate in those three fields, you need, over 100 different settings. Granted, that is a tall order to make that simple, but I think we've done that. The software is architected very nicely, and I think that the class does a good job of at the end of the 2-hour class, you will be able to lay out inlets and know that it's correct. Okay, and we'll do some pipes and all that, but basically at the end of the placing inlets with precision and speed, you'll know how to lay things out quickly and know that it's good. So those are the two classes I know I'm teaching so far. I invite you to come out, and I really look forward to seeing y'all. I'll be teaching this class remotely and other classes remotely, and it's really nice to actually go face to face. So further information is available on the Bentley communities, the road and site design community. There's a hashtag Bentley15. We'll be monitoring that, but look forward to it, and hopefully I'll see you there. Take care.